Have you ever wondered how sharks find their way across the vast ocean? It's a big ocean out there, and these amazing creatures travel long distances. How do they know where they're going? Sharks have some incredible skills that help them navigate the open sea. Let's dive in and explore these amazing adaptations. One fascinating way sharks navigate is by using the Earth's magnetic field. Just like the needle on a compass always points north, sharks can sense the Earth's magnetic field with remarkable precision. This incredible sense acts like an internal compass, guiding them through the vast and often featureless expanses of the ocean. Scientists believe that sharks have special cells in their bodies, known as Magneto Receptors, that allow them to detect these magnetic forces. It's like having a built-in GPS system, but far more sophisticated than anything humans have developed. These magnetoreceptors are thought to be located in the shark's head, particularly around the nose and brain area. This unique adaptation helps them undertake long migrations across the ocean, find their way back to specific breeding grounds, and even locate prey. Imagine being able to travel thousands of miles without ever getting lost, all thanks to an invisible force field. This ability is not just fascinating, but also crucial for their survival. It allows sharks to thrive in diverse marine environments, from coastal waters to the deep sea. Researchers are still uncovering the mysteries of how exactly these magnetoreceptors work, but one thing is clear: sharks are truly remarkable navigators of the ocean, guided by the unseen forces of the Earth's magnetic field. Sharks are also famous for their incredible sense of smell. In fact, their sense of smell is so strong that they can detect tiny amounts of substances in the water, like a single drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. This powerful sense of smell helps them find food and even navigate. Certain smells in the ocean, like those coming from coral reefs or underwater currents, can act like signposts for sharks, helping them find their way. But how exactly does this remarkable sense of smell work? Sharks have specialized sensory cells located in their nostrils, known as olfactory receptors. These receptors are highly sensitive and can pick up on the faintest traces of chemicals in the water. When a shark swims, water flows through its nostrils, allowing these receptors to detect and analyze different scents. This process is so efficient that sharks can even determine the direction from which a smell is coming, helping them zero in on their prey with astonishing accuracy. Moreover, the sense of smell in sharks is not just about finding food. It plays a crucial role in their social interactions and mating behaviors. Certain chemical signals, known as pheromones, are released by other sharks and can convey important information about their reproductive status or territorial boundaries. This chemical communication is vital for maintaining the complex social structures within shark populations. In addition to their olfactory prowess, sharks also possess an array of other sensory adaptations that make them formidable hunters. Their lateral line system, for example, allows them to detect vibrations and movements in the water, while their electroreception capabilities enable them to sense the electric fields generated by other marine animals. Together, these senses create a highly tuned and efficient predator, perfectly adapted to the challenges of the ocean environment. Section 4. Landmarks of the deep visual cues for ocean travelers. While sharks may not see the world in the same way we do, they still use their vision to navigate. Sharks can see shapes and patterns in the water, especially when light conditions are good. They can use these visual cues, like underwater mountains, coastlines, or even patterns of sunlight on the surface, to help them orient themselves and find familiar locations. Sharks have a unique way of interpreting their surroundings. Their eyes are specially adapted to the underwater environment, allowing them to detect contrasts and movements that might be invisible to the human eye. For instance, the way light filters through the water can create distinct patterns that sharks can follow. These patterns act like a map, guiding them through the vast and often featureless ocean. Moreover, sharks are known to have an excellent sense of direction. They can remember specific landmarks and use them to navigate back to their favorite hunting grounds or breeding sites. This ability is crucial for their survival, as it helps them find food and mates and avoid potential dangers. So, next time you think of sharks, remember that these incredible creatures are not just mindless predators. They are skilled navigators of the deep, using the ocean's natural landmarks to find their way. Section 5. A symphony of senses, putting it all together. Sharks don't just rely on one sense to navigate. They use a combination of all their senses: their internal compass, their powerful noses, and their ability to see shapes and patterns all work together to help them travel the ocean with incredible accuracy. It's like having a whole navigation system built right into their bodies. Section 6. Masters of navigation. Sharks in their ocean domain. Sharks are truly amazing creatures, perfectly adapted to life in the vast ocean. Their incredible navigation skills allow them to travel long distances, find food, and return to familiar areas. By understanding how sharks navigate, we gain a deeper appreciation for these remarkable animals and the importance of protecting them and their ocean home.